Hello beautiful people, hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one of nature's most underrated treasures, the soursop fruit, also known as graviola or guanabana. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious and refreshing. It's loaded with powerful health benefits that can truly transform your well-being. So, grab a cup of soursop juice, sit back, and let's dive into the incredible world of this green, spiky miracle fruit. Soursop is a tropical fruit that grows on the annona tree, found in Africa, the Caribbean, and parts of South America and Asia. It has a pricky green skin, but inside you'll find a soft white creamy flesh, slightly tangy, slightly sweet, and incredibly fragrant. You can eat it fresh, blend it into juice, or even use it in smoothies and desserts. But beyond the taste, the soursop is also known for its healing properties that have been celebrated in traditional medicine for centuries. Let's start with the basics. Nutrition. Soursop is a low-calorie fruit, but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's especially high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system, helps your skin glow, and protects your cells from damage. It also contains B vitamins, particularly thiamine and niacin, which support energy production and healthy brain function. And don't forget the potassium, magnesium, and fiber that help keep your heart healthy and digestion smooth. So when you sip on a glass of soursop juice, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're nourishing your body from within. Soursop boosts immunity and fights inflammation. One of the most powerful benefits of the soursop is its ability to boost the immune system because it's loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural compounds. It helps your body fight infections and recover faster from illnesses. Soursop also has anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it can help soothe inflammation in your body, whether it's arthritis, muscle pain, or chronic fatigue. Many people drink soursop regularly to feel more energetic, less bloated, and better overall. It's like giving your body a daily detox, but naturally. If you struggle with constipation, bloating, or slow digestion, soursop can help. It's high in dietary fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and keeps digestive system moving smoothly. The natural enzymes in the fruit also help break down food and improve nutrition absorption. A cup of soursop juice after a heavy meal can help you digest better and feel lighter. And because it's gentle on the stomach, it's often recommended for people recovering from illnesses or dealing with ulcers. It soothes and heals rather than irritating. Soursop promotes better sleep and reduces stress. Here's something you may not know. Soursop has natural calming properties. It contains compounds that help relax the body, reduce stress, and promote deep sleep. In some cultures, soursop leaves are used in making tea that helps to relieve anxiety and insomnia. If you've been feeling anxious or struggling to sleep, try sipping some soursop juice in the evening. It may help your body and mind unwind naturally. It helps to balance blood sugar and support heart health. Regularly drinking soursop juice may support healthy blood sugar levels. Studies show that certain compounds in soursop help regulate glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. Great news for everyone watching their sugar levels, of course. It's also beneficial for your heart. The potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure, while the antioxidants help to prevent oxidative damage that leads to heart disease. In short, it helps your heart to work better and your blood to flow freely, keeping you feeling young, fresh, and vibrant. One of the most fascinating areas of research on the soursop is its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that soursop extracts can help kill certain cancer cells in lab settings, especially breast, liver, and colon cancer cells. It's important to note that these studies are still early and soursop should never replace medical treatment. But it's promising to know that nature continues to hold secrets that science is still discovering. Soursop also has antimicrobial properties, which means it helps fight harmful bacteria and parasites, a natural protector of your body. You can enjoy soursop in so many ways: fresh, chilled, or blended into a creamy juice. To make soursop juice at home, simply scoop out the white flesh, blend it with water or coconut water, strain it, sweeten it lightly with honey if you like. I'm actually going to attach a video down below in the description box of how to make soursop juice. You can check it out and you make yourself juice at home. You can also mix it in other fruits like mango, pineapple, or lime for a tropical twist. Drink it in the morning to boost your energy, or in the evening to relax and refresh your body. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much can lead to blood pressure or dizziness in some people, so keep it balanced. Soursop isn't just a fruit. It's nature's gentle healer. From boosting immunity and digestion to calming your nerves and supporting your heart. Every sip of its juice is a step toward better health and inner peace. So next time you see this spiky green fruit in the market, don't walk past it. Take it home and let your body taste the difference. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little tropical goodness in their life. Stay healthy and stay nourished.